In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Zoho sheet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up your Zoho sheet. Now from here, want to go ahead and click onto File, and then we got the option to click onto Download As. Now depending how you want to download it, so we've got a few different options. So we can download this as a MS Excel workbook, which is .xlsx, or MS Excel binary workbook, which is .xlsb, or an open office spreadsheet, which is .ods. Also, we got comma separated values we can download as, and tab separate values, and PDF documents, and HTML document. With the last one here, we can download as a password protected file. So just go ahead and choose which one you'd like to download that sheet as. So if I want to do an MS Excel workbook, it's going to go ahead and click on download, and you can see here my downloads. It has downloaded my untitled spreadsheet like so.